Hey everyone, welcome back to the most important video of this week. In this video, I am going to share with you all the techniques, all the methods, all the tips that I followed to become a fluent speaker in this language. Let me tell you that I was not this confident in English, I was not this fluent in English. In 2023, I worked hard on my communication skills. I worked every single day on my communication skills, and as a result, I am able to communicate properly. I am able to articulate my words, my thoughts properly, and this has been all possible because of the techniques, because of the methods that I used, that I followed to become a fluent speaker in this language. Okay, so let me share with you all the things from the techniques that I have used to what I am doing right now to polish my communication skills in this language. So if you have always wondered how much time it is going to take you to become fluent in this language, what to learn in the initial phase of learning English, and where to start this journey from, let me tell you that I am going to help you with everything here. Stay with me till the end and I'll tell you everything. Now let's understand one of the most important things to learn any language. How a language is learned. Let's discuss. Now let me tell you, how have you learned your mother tongue? I want you to go back and think, how have you learnt your mother tongue? Were you doing something to learn your mother tongue? Were you reading something? Were you writing something to learn your mother tongue? I don't think so. You were not doing anything like that. You were just observing your parents, you were observing your siblings, you were observing your surroundings, you were observing the people around you, you were literally observing everything that was happening around you, and that way you have picked your mother tongue. This is the natural process of learning any language. You know what? I know what you are thinking. You are thinking, sir, when I had learnt my mother tongue, I had the people around me speaking my mother tongue. But when it comes to speaking in English, I don't have all those people who speak in this language. I don't have that English environment. How can I learn this language naturally? Let me tell you, you can create artificial English environment. This is what I did. Whatever I am talking about, I am talking from my real experience. I also have no one whom I can practice with in English. I literally had the same problem as you are having right now, but I didn't let those things stop me from being a fluent speaker in this language. If I had made all those excuses, I think I would not be speaking this language fluently right now in front of you, in front of this camera. So I just want you to create artificial environment. I am going to tell you how to practice this language at home. I literally learned this language at my home. I had no one whom I could practice English with. I had no one, man. And I'm not joking, I'm not kidding. I'm just saying you the truth. I am saying you the things that I did. And that's how you can learn English too. Yeah, I want you to create an English environment around you. And the way you are going to create an English environment, if you speak this language every single day, I don't want you to speak in your mother tongue for the next 30 to 40 days. I want you to take an oath. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप एक शपथ ले that I will speak English for the next 30 days. And meet me after 30 to 40 days. You will not be the same person, man. You will have learned how to speak this language fluently. It is all about just 30 days. And you will not recognize yourself. Your English communication is going to go from here to here. Let me say you again, you will not be the same person. So take an oath from today that no matter what I am going to do from this day, no matter I am talking to one of my friends, I will talk to that person in English. And I want you to let them think whatever they want to think about you. Let them say you a mad person. No matter what they think about you, just keep going. Some of you might be thinking, do we need to learn grammar rules to speak this language fluently? And my answer is yes. If you are coming from Hindi medium background, or if you are coming from non-English medium background, there's no way for you to learn this language. You need to take help from your mother tongue. And the way you are going to take help from your mother tongue is you learn grammar first, a little bit grammar, basic grammar rules through which you can start speaking this language. I don't want you to jump into complex grammar rules. I just want you to learn basic grammar rules. That's okay. And apart from this, I don't care if you are reading every single day. I don't care if you are writing every single day in English, something or the other, as long as you are speaking this language every single day. That's the secret of my English fluency journey. Like, what's your goal of learning this language? Your goal is to speak this language fluently. And the way you are going to speak this language fluently is when you speak this language every single day without taking any day off. That's the secret of being a fluent speaker in any language. Let's say you want to crack a job. I want you to prepare all the questions that interviewer might ask. I want you to practice those questions every single day. What's your purpose of learning English? I want to crack a job. Then prepare all those questions already before you learn to speak English fluently. And I want you to cram all those questions. Along with that, I want you to learn English every single day. And when the day will come, you will be very confident, because now you know all the answers that an interviewer might ask, and you have also learned how to speak this language fluently. So that way the probability of you cracking a dream job interview increases. Now let's talk about the ways, let's talk about the techniques that I use every single day to polish my communication skills in this language. So the first technique that I'm going to share with you is going to be mirror technique. Yeah, I practice every single day this technique, and I think this alone has helped me a lot in the journey of English fluency. And that's what I want you to use every single day. If you are alone in your English fluency journey, if you don't have any English partner, this technique could be the game changer. If you use this daily, I want you to think about a topic, and I want you to stand in front of the mirror and then talk about that topic non-stop. I want you to make mistakes, and you will make mistakes, there's no doubt. But if you are making mistakes, it tells that you are trying to learn. And after 2 or 3 months, you will realize that thing, that you will thank yourself for the mistakes that you had made. Because without mistakes, you would not have become this person that you have become right now. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to convey. And then let's talk about the second technique that I used every single day, and that was reading and then try to deliver what I have just read. Let's talk about that. What I do is I read a story and then I try to repeat that story in my own word. That's the second technique that I used. This is how you can practice English at home. And the third technique that I'm going to talk about is going to be recording myself speaking in English for 10 minutes every single day. Yeah, this is what I do every single day. I choose a topic and I speak on that topic for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. And after 2 or 3 days, I watch that video and I see where's the room for improvement. And if I am doing something wrong, I'll try to improve that. And yeah, this is how I am growing every single day. In the beginning of this video, I have promised you to give you a bonus tip. What's that bonus tip? Let's talk about that. I want you to buy this book. This book name is Honeycomb. This is for class 7th, and this is the best book I have ever found. If you want to read, this is the best book you can buy. Like, this is free distribution book. This is free of cost. I think my niece has brought this book from a school, and you can go to government schools and you can find out this book. You can look for this book and you will find this book. This book name is Honeycomb for class 7th, and this book has helped me a lot. Now I have stopped reading this book because now I am familiar with all the stories in this book. So I am bored with this books. But you can go to some government schools and you are going to find this book. This book name is Honeycomb. So this was the video. If you have any question in your mind, I want you to let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely reply you. So yeah, if you found this video to be helpful for you, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing unique content for you